although you can simply use the sample tool palettes and tools that ship with the program, and doing so can improve productivity. It is very easy to create your own tool palettes and palette tools. On the View ribbon, in the Palettes panel, click Tool Palettes to open the tool palettes. To create your own custom palette, simply right-click any palette tab. The shortcut menu includes a New Palette option. You can also create a new tool palette by right-clicking the title bar of the palette window itself. This shortcut menu also includes a New Palette option. To access any of the tools for creating and modifying tool palettes, you must right-click. Click New Palette. A new blank palette is immediately created, and you must enter the name of the new palette. Type CAD Learning and press Enter. Once the palette has been created, you can then right-click the palette tab and move it up or down within the tabs to change its placement among the other palettes. You can also delete or rename the palette from the shortcut menu.